StackSocialcom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're shopping for software or digital tools online and you found Band, StackSocial0 offering steep discounts, you might ask, is this a great value or a deal with caveats? Most people get this wrong by seeing huge discount and not digging deeper. Here's exactly what to check. StackSocial is a digital marketplace that offers software, apps, VPNs, cloud services and bundles at discounted rates. For example, one user bought Windows 11 Pro for under is through StackSocial. Circ. What you get, potentially large discounts on software or digital services you might buy anyway. The pricing model often lists a suggested price and then a low deal price. Circ what you give up or must verify. The discount doesn't always guarantee full value. Some lifetime deals may carry fine print, manufacturer support differences, regional restrictions or license issues. On forums, some users noted that lifetime deals from StackSocial weren't honored in practice. Circ. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Look at the product details. What license or subscription is included? Are there region locks? Step 2. Check the suggested price versus real retail price. Sometimes suggested price is inflated just to show a bigger discount. Step 3. Look at user reviews for that specific deal. How many users report functional access and support? Step 4. Consider your use case. If this is a tool you'll use daily for years, investing in a reputable vendor may cost more upfront but deliver better long-term value. You won't believe what happens next if you chase the lowest price without reading the fine print. You might buy a lifetime license that ends in a few years or one that lacks updates, and your cost per year becomes higher than expected. The surprising truth, a great price isn't always great value unless the license, support and usage align. In conclusion, StackSocial can deliver strong value if you're mindful about license terms and your usage needs. If you just buy because the discount looks amazing, you may regret it later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech deal pricing explained and what you're really getting for your money.